This is a father, and he is in labor, giving birth to hundreds of babies. In the weird and wonderful world of the seahorse, it's the dads who get pregnant. Meet the seahorse, one of the most magical and mysterious-looking creatures in the entire ocean. With a head like a horse, a tail like a monkey, and a body covered in armor, they seem like something out of a fairy tale. But this tiny, fragile-looking fish has one of the most bizarre and revolutionary family structures on the entire planet. I'm going to show you the unbelievable secrets of male pregnancy and tell you all about their incredibly romantic morning dances. First, you have to know that seahorses are technically fish, but they are absolutely terrible swimmers. They swim upright and are propelled forward by one tiny little fin on their back that has to beat super fast, up to 50 times a second, just to move them slowly through the water. They steer with two even tinier fins on the side of their head. They are so slow and delicate that they can actually die of exhaustion if they get caught in a stormy sea. But their terrible swimming ability is actually a key part of their genius hunting strategy. Seahorses are ambush predators. They are masters of stealth. They use their prehensile tail, which can grab onto things just like a monkey's tail, to anchor themselves to a piece of seagrass or coral. Then they just wait, perfectly camouflaged, for their food to come to them. Their head and snout are perfectly shaped to move through the water without creating a pressure wave that would alert their prey. When a tiny shrimp or other crustacean drifts by, the seahorse strikes with a method called pivot feeding. It rapidly snaps its head upwards, which creates a powerful suction force, and it literally vacuums the food right into its long snout. The entire attack is over in less than 1,000th of a second. So they are masters of the ambush, living these quiet little lives hiding in the seagrass. But how do they find a partner in the big, wide ocean? And what happens after they do? Well, seahorses are true romantics. Many species are monogamous, and a pair will often stay together for an entire breeding season, and some for their entire lives. And to keep their relationship strong, they have a daily ritual. Every single morning, the female will swim over to the male's territory, and they will perform a beautiful, graceful, synchronized dance together. They will mirror each other's movements, change colors, and swim together, sometimes for hours before separating for the rest of the day. This daily dance eventually leads to the main event. During one of these dances, the female will use a special tube to transfer her eggs into a special pocket on the male's stomach. This is the brood pouch. And this is where the magic happens. The dad is now officially pregnant. Once the eggs are inside his pouch, he fertilizes them. And that pouch is not just a dumb pocket. It acts just like a mammal's womb. A whole network of blood vessels grows inside the lining, which provides the developing babies with oxygen and nutrient-rich fluid. The dad's body even controls the environment inside the pouch, slowly making the water saltier as the pregnancy goes on to prepare the babies for life in the open ocean. After a pregnancy that can last from 2 to 4 weeks, the dad goes into labor. He will have powerful contractions for hours, pumping and pushing until he shoots the tiny, fully formed baby seahorses out of his pouch. He can give birth to over 1,500 babies in one go. And once he's done, his job is over. The babies have to fend for themselves, and the dad is ready to meet up with his partner and get pregnant all over again, sometimes on the very same day. So the seahorse is a true original. It's a terrible swimmer, but a master of the vacuum cleaner ambush. It's a hopeless romantic that literally dances with its partner every single morning. And most incredibly of all, it has a completely reversed society where the dedicated dads are the ones who get pregnant, carry the babies in their own personal womb, and give birth to the next generation. If you want to meet more of nature's most amazing and mind-bending fathers, make sure you subscribe.